Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Okay, so for last week's class, okay, I have given to you two tasks, right? Self-practice 6.4 and module page 62. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the answers for those tasks, okay, the solution. Okay, so let's look at the first one, self-practice 6.4. Okay, so for question 1A, okay, I'm not going to show the solution because I already showed it in the previous video. Okay, you can check it in the previous video. Okay, so move on to 1B. Okay, so 1B, okay, we need to find the volume of the whole object. So basically it is the combination of pyramid and cube, right? Okay, so total volume. Firstly, you need to write the formula. Okay, so total volume equal to volume of pyramid plus volume of cube. Okay, so you already know that formula untuk volume of pyramid is 1/3 times area of base times height, right? That is the formula untuk volume of pyramid plus volume of cube, length times width times height, right? Okay, so 1/3 times area of base untuk piramid ni bentuk square, right? Okay, so kalau formula untuk square dia adalah length times width. So length times width, length dia adalah 8, right? 8. Width dia 8 juga sebab dash ni membawa maksud sama panjang. Okay, so 8 times 8 times height of the pyramid. Remember, height dia mestilah upright height. Okay, yang membentuk 90 degree. So, ni height dia. So, height dia, dia tak bagi tapi dia bagi keseluruhan height untuk combination of these two objects. So, kita tolaklah 13 minus height of this cube. So, height of this cube is 8 also. So, 13 minus 8, you will get height untuk piramid adalah what? 5, right? So times 5 plus length times width times height of this cube. So 8 times 8 times 8. So you will get volume of pyramid 106.67 plus volume of cube 512 equal 618.67 centimeter cubic. Okay, remember the height of a pyramid adalah ketinggian tegak je, okay, bukan slant height. Ini adalah slant height S, bukan dia adalah ketinggian tegak H, right? Then for C, okay, cylinder and cone. So total volume, okay, untuk cylinder plus cone. Okay, so cylinder formula dia adalah pi r square h plus 1/3 pi r square h. So pi kita tahu 22/7, so radius of cylinder. So ni cylinder radius dia bagi diameter. So radius dia 2. 2 square times height of cylinder, so ni height dia 10. Plus cone 1/3 times pi 22/7 times radius of cone Samalah dengan radius untuk cylinder, right? So 2 square times height of cone. So height of cone from here to here. So 4. So we get the volume of cylinder adalah 125.71 plus volume untuk cone 16.76. So kamu akan dapat total volume untuk whole object ni adalah 142.47 centimeter cubic. Okay, easy, right? Okay, so the first question, okay, question 1 is very easy because dia nak cari total volume je, straight to the point. Just use the formula and plug in the values. Okay, for question 2, dia minta kita cari volume untuk shaded region. Okay, so for 2A, I also have showed in the previous video, so you can check it in the previous video. So for 2B, okay, 2B, okay, first kita tulis the formula dia untuk. So you must know how to solve this question since it wants us to find the volume of shaded region. So kita tahu, okay, kita nak cari volume of shaded region, right? So volume of shaded region equal to, first you need to find the volume of whole object. Whole object means unshaded plus dengan shaded lah. So whole object, volume whole dia, total whole dia, okay? Total volume dia. So total volume of whole object minus dengan volume of unshaded region lah kan. So bila kamu ambil total volume of whole object minus dengan unshaded region, so kamu akan dapatlah volume of shaded region. Okay. So total volume of whole object ni adalah bentuk prism, right? Okay, bentuk prism. And then untuk unshaded region, jangan ingat circle ni saja unshaded. Sebenarnya circle ni merangkumi ni lah silinder ni. Okay, silinder ni sebenarnya semua adalah unshaded. Okay. Jangan ingat circle ni saja unshaded. Okay, dia keseluruhan silinder dalam ni unshaded region. Alright. So silinder. So kamu tahu volume untuk prism, okay, dia punya formula adalah cross section area times height, right? Then minus dengan volume of cylinder adalah pi r square h. Okay, so cross section area untuk prism ni adalah bentuk, saya dah explain juga dalam previous video pasal trapezium. Okay, ni trapezium. Okay, trapezium. So formula untuk trapezium, which is the cross section area, adalah, okay, apa dia punya ni? 1/2, right? Times A plus B times height. Okay, so this is the formula untuk cross section area, which is the trapezium. Okay, times height of the prism. So ada dua H. Remember, ni H untuk height untuk trapezium, and then ni H untuk prism. Okay, the whole prism. Minus pi r square H. Okay, so tulis dulu step by step formula tu supaya kamu nampak dengan jelas. Then just type in the values. So 1/2 times, nilai A dia adalah, untuk trapezium ni nilai A dia 10 plus B yang atas ni. Okay, this set parallel side. Okay, so 2 times height of the trapezium. So ni height of trapezium, okay. So 5. And then times height of trapezium. Okay, do not get wrong. Okay, 5 ni, okay, bukan height untuk trapezium. Okay, ni height untuk 5 ni bukan height untuk prism, but it is height for trapezium. Okay, so height untuk trapezium adalah 8 sebenarnya. Okay, 8 ni bukan length, bukan length prism, tapi dia height. Sebab kalau kamu tegakkan prism ni, okay, 8 ni akan jadi height dia, right? Times 8. Then minus, so pi 22/7 times radius of the cylinder. This radius of cylinder, diameter dia 3, so bahagi 2 dapatlah 1.5, right? So 1.5 square times height of the cylinder, so yang ni lah height dia adalah 8 kan. So you will get, so the total volume of whole object, which is the prism, adalah 240. So minus dengan volume of the unshaded region, which is the cylinder, okay, 56.6 is 56.57. So you will get the volume of shaded region adalah 183.43 centimeter. Okay, so remember how to solve untuk cari volume of shaded region. Remember, firstly you need to find total volume of whole object. Whole object means including unshaded dengan shaded. So minus dengan volume of unshaded. So kamu akan dapatlah volume of shaded. So C, same goes to C. Nak cari shaded region. So volume of shaded region. Okay, I use short form. SR means shaded region. Equal to volume of whole object, which is pyramid, minus dengan volume of unshaded region. Okay, unshaded region, which is the cone, right? Cone ni kan unshaded kan? Right. So volume of pyramid ni, kamu dah tahu formula dia adalah 1/3 times area of base. Area of base times height minus volume of cone 1/3 by r square h. So 1/3 area of base untuk piramid ni adalah square, right? So 7 ni 7 sama dengan panjang lebar dia. Panjang dan lebar sama 7. So 7/7. So 7 times 7 times height of the pyramid. So it's already given 15. Minus 1/3 times pi times radius of cone. So dia bagi diameter cone ni adalah 5. So 5 bahagi 2 akan dapat 2.5. 2.5 square times height of the cone. Height of the cone is equal to the height of pyramid. So 15. So volume of pyramid, the whole object adalah 245 minus volume of unshaded region, which is the cone, 98.21. 98.21. So the final answer is 146.79 centimeter cube. Okay, easy, right? Okay. Then the last one, the last question for self-practice 6.4 is soalan 3. Ali poured water into a cylindrical container that has a radius of 7 cm and height of 15 cm. Okay, so untuk cylindrical container, so container yang berbentuk silinder lah. until it is full. So a solid shaped cone is inserted fully into the cylinder. So cone, okay, solid yang berbentuk cone is inserted fully into the cylinder as shown in the diagram below. So after a while, the solid cone is taken out from the cylinder. So lepas tu, cone ni is taken out from the cylinder. So calculate the volume of water that is left in the cylinder. So kita nak kena cari volume of water left after this cone is taken out from the cylinder. Okay, so formula dia adalah volume, kita nak cari volume of water left in cylinder, right? So firstly kamu kena carilah total volume untuk cylinder ni semua keseluruhan dia. So volume of cylinder minus volume of cone that is taken out. Okay, so bila minus kedua-dua ni maka akan dapatlah volume of water left in the cylinder. So volume of cylinder kamu dah tahu adalah pi r square h minus volume of cone, formula dia adalah 1/3 pi r square h. So kamu akan dapat, write in dulu the value, okay? So 22/7 times radius of cylinder. So radius of the cylinder tadi dah mention dalam soalan, okay, 7 cm. So radius of cylinder 7 cm times height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is also mentioned, 15 cm. Okay, so height dia adalah 15 cm minus 1/3 times pi 22/7 times radius untuk cone tadi beri 4, yang ni radius dia untuk cone 4 whole square times height of the cone. So height of the cone is 7, is also given, okay? So kamu akan dapat volume of cylinder 2310 minus volume of cone 117.33. So answer is 2192.67 centimeter cubic. Okay. Alright. Okay, next we move on to the module page 62. Okay, so question 2a is solve the following problem, use pi equal to 22/7. Okay, so a spherical balloon is filled with air until its radius is 6 cm. Radius 6 cm and it is spherical. Bentuk sphere lah. Balloon tu bentuk sphere. So calculate the volume in centimeter cubic of the air in the balloon. Itu nak cari volume untuk spherical balloon ni. So kita dah tahu formula untuk volume of spherical adalah what? Volume spherical balloon. So formula untuk sphere adalah 4/3 pi r cubic. Okay. So ganti masuk je lah, plug in the values. 4/3 pi tadi dia cakap atas ni mesti guna 22/7, right? 22/7 times radius of the spherical balloon, which is 6 cm. So you get the answer 905.14 centimeter cubic. Or you can write in fraction as well. So 905 1/7 centimeter cubic. So either one here is accepted. So this is like the easiest one because it is very straightforward. Okay. Ya, dia terus minta cari volume terus. Okay, so guna je lah, plug in je lah the values into this formula of volume for sphere. Okay, since the balloon, okay, bentuk dia adalah spherical, okay, sphere. Okay, B. Untuk B, okay, the following diagram shows a composite solid comprising of a cuboid and a right pyramid. Okay, cuboid and right pyramid. So combination of cuboid and pyramid. Okay, if the volume is 704 centimeter cubic, okay, maksudnya total volume gabungan kedua solid ni adalah 704 centimeter cubic. So calculate the height in centimeter of the pyramid. So nak cari height of pyramid berapa. Alright. So okay, total volume tu yang dulu formula dia. Total volume equal volume of pyramid plus volume of cuboid. So total volume tadi dah diberi. Right. Dia dah cakap dah volume is 704 cm cubic. So total volume adalah 704. So volume of pyramid kita dah tahu dah formula dia 1/3 times area of base times height, right, plus the volume of cuboid, length and width times height. Okay. So plug in the values. It's 1/3 times area of base, bentuk square kan base pyramid ni, so length dia adalah 12, width dia adalah 8. So 12 times 8 times height of the pyramid. So tak tahu, so kita nak cari kan yang ni. So plus volume of cuboid, so length dia adalah 12. Ni length dia. Width dia 8, height dia 5. So times 8 times 5. So you will get, untuk yang ni kamu akan dapat 32H plus volume of cuboid kamu akan dapat 480. So we want to find H, right? So rearrange, okay? Rearrange the equation to make H as the subject. So 704 minus 480. So 32H equal to 224. So H equal to, okay, divide by 32, then divide by 32 as well. So you will get 224 divided by 32, you will get 7 centimeter. So the height of this pyramid is 7 centimeter. Okay, so answer. This one is also easy. Basically, question in self-practice and module is very easy. It's not that challenging. Okay, so the last one, C. Okay, C ni adalah a bit, maybe a bit challenging lah. Susah sikit lah daripada yang sebelum-sebelum tadi tu. Okay, so dia cakap, okay, the following diagram shows a hemispherical, okay, so ni hemispherical kan, bowl, okay, completely filled up with water. So the water is then poured into a cylinder jar. So water dalam hemispherical bowl ni dituang ke dalam cylindrical jug ni lah. So calculate the height in centimeter, okay, calculate the height in centimeter of the water in the jar. Okay, so when the water inside this hemispherical is poured into a cylindrical jug ni, okay, so it is poured. So dia nak kita calculate height of the water, okay, in the jug. Okay, the water coming from the hemispherical bowl ni lah lepas dia dituang tu kan. So height dia berapa? So first we find the volume of the water inside the hemispherical bowl first. So hemispherical bowl, water inside hemispherical bowl. So hemispherical bowl bentuk dia hemisphere kan. Nama pun hemispherical. So hemisphere. So formula untuk hemisphere adalah 2/3 times pi r cubic. Okay. 2/3 pi r cubic. So 2/3 times 22/7 times radius untuk hemispherical ni, bowl ni. So diberi diameter 8. So kalau radius 4 kan. So 4 to the power of 3. Okay, then you will get the volume of water inside the hemispherical bowl is 134.10 centimeter cubic. What about the volume of this whole cylinder? Okay, so kita cari pula volume untuk the whole cylinder. Okay, so volume of cylindrical jug. So cylindrical jug ni bentuk cylinder. So formula untuk cylinder adalah pi r square h. So pi 22/7 times radius untuk cylinder ni 3, right? Since diameter dia 6, so radius ni mesti 3. So 3 square times height of the cylinder. Okay, we do not know. So it's not given. So you get 28.29 H. Okay. Alright, so 28.29 H ni adalah full part of the cylinder, full part of this cylindrical jug ni. Okay, so full part of the cylindrical jug ni has volume of 28.29 H. Okay, so use this one to compute the height of the water in the jug. Okay, so we take 28.29 H, okay, make it equal to the volume of water inside the hemispherical bowl. So 134.10. So find H. Okay, since the question wants us to find the height, right? Find H, then 134.110 divided by ni belah sana kan. Okay, so 28.29. So H is 4.74 centimeter. So that's the answer for the height of the water in the jug. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can personally ask me, okay, in Telegram, alright? Okay, assalamualaikum and bye. Thank you.